Making Christmas Shortbread. Part 1. Ingredients. 1 cup unsalted butter, 250 milliliters. 1/4 cup icing sugar, 60 milliliters. 1 tablespoon white sugar, 15 milliliters. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 milliliter. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 425 milliliters. Part 2. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat the unsalted butter, icing sugar, white sugar, and salt together with a mixer. Sift the white flour over the top. Stir the mixture. Knead the shortbread until smooth and flat. Bake the shortbread in the oven for 45 minutes. Let stand until cool. Cut the shortbread into bars. Enjoy your delicious shortbread.